French toast mixture, coconut oil in that pan, bread already, a couple pieces sliced up, making peach cobbler French toast this morning. Turkey bacon already done. Let's do it. Got my cornstarch in that thing, trying to make it thick. Got to make it a little thicker. Put some little dried blueberries, but kind of hydrated them again by putting them in a peach cobbler mix. Put a little bit right on the top. Ooh. Turkey bacon. All right. So we got Juju's plate first.
Come on, you got Juju plate?
A little whipped cream.
Oh, look at your plate. What is that?
It's her.
Yeah, a little piece. Okay. Let's
Oh
go.
my God.